AI. It seems like it's making waves just about everywhere you look, but today we're going to really dive deep on how it's shaking up the marketing world. And more specifically, we're talking about generative AI. Now, you're listening because you want to know how this tech is changing the game for businesses, right? Well, get ready, because we've got insights from all kinds of sources on everything from Coca-Cola's AI-powered campaigns to Toys R Us bringing back Geoffrey the Giraffe using AI.
Yeah, it really is remarkable how quickly things are changing. I mean, we've gone way past simply analyzing data to AI that is now creating content and strategies for us. Gartner even predicts that 80% of senior creative professionals will be using generative AI by 2026. This isn't just a trend, this is a complete and total transformation of the industry as we know it.
Okay, so let's break this down a bit. What exactly is generative AI, and how is it different from the AI we've been hearing so much about already?
So, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content. Think of things like text, images, videos, even code. It can do all of that.
Hmm.
And it goes beyond just analyzing existing data and actually generates these brand new original outputs. It's like having an AI teammate that can brainstorm with you, write copy, design visuals, and so much more.
Okay, that's pretty mind-blowing when you think about it. But how is all of this actually being used in marketing right now? Give us some real concrete examples.
Sure. One of the most impactful areas we're seeing it is in predictive customer journey mapping. Generative AI can look at these massive amounts of customer data and anticipate their wants and needs before they even know it themselves. Like imagine being able to predict which customers are likely to abandon their shopping carts and then sending them a personalized discount code in real time to keep them engaged. I mean, that's the kind of power this technology gives us.
Oh, that's incredible. It really is like having a crystal ball that can tell you what your customer is going to do before they even do it. What other marketing tasks can generative AI take on?
Well, another great example is social media management. AI can create, schedule, and even optimize your social media posts. This saves you tons of time and makes sure your branding is consistent across all of your platforms. Think about a retail brand that uses AI to manage their holiday campaigns. They can make sure that all their posts are hitting peak visibility times when online shoppers are most active.
So no more scrambling to post something at 2 a.m. for optimal engagement. That's definitely a win in my book.
Yeah.
But what about email marketing? It's still so important for a lot of businesses. How can generative AI help there?
You're absolutely right. Email marketing is definitely not dead. And generative AI is taking it to a whole new level with personalization. Imagine crafting email campaigns that are tailored to each individual subscriber based on their past behavior and preferences. We're talking about the subject line, product recommendations, even the color scheme. It can all be adjusted to resonate with each person. And this can lead to much higher open and click-through rates.
Okay, now we're really talking. It sounds like generative AI is turning the dream of one-to-one marketing into a reality, but I need to see it to believe it. Are there any companies out there already using this technology successfully?
Oh, absolutely. Coca-Cola is a great example. They've used generative AI to create personalized ad campaigns and engaging content that's really resonating with their audience. The results? Well, they've seen increased customer engagement and much higher campaign efficiency.
That's impressive. And I remember seeing something about Toys R Us using AI to bring back Geoffrey the Giraffe for a super nostalgic ad campaign. Can you tell me more about that?
Yeah, so Toys R Us used generative AI to really tap into that power of nostalgia.
Yeah.
They created this unique narrative featuring Geoffrey that really connected with both kids and adults. It's just a fantastic example of how AI can be used to evoke emotion and tell compelling brand stories that work.
Man, that's really clever. So it sounds like generative AI isn't just about crunching numbers and spitting out data. It can actually be used to create really creative and engaging marketing campaigns that people love. Are there any other companies out there that are using generative AI in these really interesting ways?
Yeah, definitely. Klarna, the payment processing company, is another great example. They've integrated generative AI into their marketing and customer service to personalize interactions and streamline operations. It just goes to show how versatile this technology can be. From crafting email campaigns to handling customer inquiries, generative AI can do it all.
It seems like just about every industry is finding ways to use generative AI. So how do we at Kanerika fit into this new world of AI-powered marketing?
Well, we're at the forefront of AI innovation, and we specialize in helping businesses use the power of generative AI to meet their specific needs. We develop custom solutions for companies across various industries, retail, healthcare, manufacturing, you name it, we're there. And we can help them streamline operations, optimize processes, and create truly exceptional customer experiences that people really love.
So just to be clear, we're not offering those generic one-size-fits-all solutions, right?
No, absolutely not. We understand that every business has its own unique challenges and goals. We work closely with our clients to develop custom AI solutions that are tailored to their specific needs. And this helps them achieve real, tangible results that they can see.
Okay, great. And that sounds like a perfect segue into our next segment, where we'll delve a little deeper into some of the real-world applications of generative AI in different industries.
So, we've talked about some big names like Coca-Cola and Toys R Usin, but generative AI isn't just for these huge companies. Even smaller businesses can use these tools and strategies.
Yeah, that's a good point. I feel like AI is often seen as this expensive, complex technology that only these big corporations could afford. But that's not really the case with generative AI, is it?
No, not at all. One of the most exciting things about this technology is how accessible it is. A lot of generative AI tools are designed to be user-friendly and affordable, even for startups and small teams.
Okay, so let's bring this down to earth for our listeners a little. Let's say you're a small business owner, maybe running an online clothing boutique. How could they use generative AI in a practical way to boost their marketing?
All right, so picture this. You're spending hours each week trying to come up with engaging social media content. Instead, you could use a tool like Jasper AI to help you generate catchy captions, write product descriptions, or even brainstorm campaign themes.
Wow, that sounds like generative AI could be a huge time saver for small business owners who are already juggling a million things. What about email marketing? We talked about personalization earlier. How could a small business use AI to make their email campaigns more effective?
That's a great question. Imagine using AI to analyze your customer data and segment your audience based on things like their purchase history and browsing behavior. Then you could use generative AI to create different versions of your email campaigns tailored to each of those specific segments.
So someone who buys a lot of dresses might get an email highlighting new arrivals in the dress category. And then someone who usually shops for accessories might get a different email showcasing the latest handbags and jewelry.
Exactly. It's all about sending the right message to the right person at the right time. And generative AI can help you create those hyper-personalized experiences that lead to higher open rates and ultimately more sales.
This all sounds fantastic for boosting sales. But what about other aspects of marketing? Things like market research and understanding customer needs. Can generative AI be helpful for those things as well?
Oh, definitely. Generative AI can be incredibly helpful for analyzing market trends, identifying those customer pain points, and even predicting future demand. All of these are really critical insights that can help you develop more effective marketing strategies and stay ahead of the competition.
So it's not just about creating flashy content, it's also about using AI to make smarter, data-driven decisions across all areas of marketing.
Precisely. Generative AI is giving marketers the power to be more creative, more efficient, and ultimately more successful in reaching their target audience. And that's true whether you're a massive global brand or a local startup just getting off the ground.
This is all incredibly exciting, but I have to ask about the potential downsides. Are there any challenges or limitations with generative AI that we need to be aware of?
Well, of course, no technology is perfect. And one of the biggest challenges with generative AI is ensuring the quality and accuracy of the content it produces. AI is a tool, and it needs human oversight and guidance to make sure that output aligns with your brand values and messaging.
So it's not about just blindly trusting the AI, it's about using it as a partner to work with us and enhance our own capabilities. We need to find that right balance between human creativity and AI-powered automation.
Exactly. The most successful implementations of generative AI involve a collaborative approach, where humans and AI work together to achieve the best results. Humans bring creativity, critical thinking, and that nuanced understanding of communication, while AI provides the speed, scale, and those data-driven insights that we need.
That makes a lot of sense. So it's about using the strengths of both humans and machines to create something truly innovative. Speaking of leveraging strengths, I think it's time we talk a bit more about how we at Kanerika can help businesses navigate this exciting new world of AI-powered marketing. Can you tell our listeners a little bit more about our expertise in this area?
Well, we at Kanerika have been working on AI innovation for years, and we really have this deep understanding of how to apply these technologies to solve real-world business challenges. We work with clients across a wide range of industries, to develop those custom generative AI solutions that are tailored to their specific needs and goals.
So just to be clear, we're not just offering these off-the-shelf AI products. We're really creating bespoke solutions for each individual client.
Absolutely. We pride ourselves on our collaborative approach. We work really closely with our clients to understand their unique challenges, their target audience, and their overall business objectives. And then we use our expertise in AI, machine learning, and data analytics to develop solutions that are not only effective, but also scalable and sustainable for the long term.
It sounds like we're taking a very hands-on, partnership-driven approach,
Yeah.
which I think is so crucial when you're dealing with this technology as transformative as AI. We're not just implementing tools, we're really helping our clients understand and leverage AI to actually achieve those business goals.
That's exactly right. We believe that technology should empower businesses, not overwhelm them. And we focus on making AI accessible and understandable so our clients can confidently harness its power.
That's a really powerful message. It speaks to our broader mission of helping businesses thrive in this rapidly evolving digital world. And it seems like generative AI is playing a more and more important role in that mission.
It really is. We see AI as a key part of digital transformation, and we're committed to helping our clients use its potential to create a more efficient, innovative, and customer-centric future.
I love that. So for our listeners who are ready to explore how generative AI can transform their own marketing efforts, what would you say is the first step they should take? Where should they even begin?
Well, the most important thing is to start by defining your goals. What are you hoping to achieve with AI? What are your biggest marketing challenges right now? Once you have a really good understanding of your needs, then you can start exploring the tools and solutions that are the best fit for your business. And of course, we at Kanerika are always here to help guide you through that process.
That's great advice. I think that's a perfect place to wrap up this segment of our deep dive into generative AI. So we've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive. We talked about what generative AI is and how it's being used in marketing today. But what about tomorrow? What trends should marketers be watching in this constantly evolving world of AI?
Well, one of the most exciting areas to keep an eye on is the development of even more sophisticated and specialized AI models. I mean, we're already seeing AI that can generate different creative text formats, things like poems, code, scripts, even musical pieces, emails, letters, all that. But as these models keep learning and evolving, they'll be able to create even more complex and nuanced content.
So are we saying we can expect to see AI producing even higher quality content, stuff that's basically indistinguishable from human-generated work?
Exactly. The lines between human creativity and AI-generated content are going to continue to blur. I think we'll see more sophisticated chatbots that can hold natural, engaging conversations with customers. And these AI-powered tools that can analyze huge amounts of data will generate these hyper-personalized marketing campaigns that really work.
It sounds like marketing is going to become even more data-driven and automated in the future. But where does human creativity fit into this? Will there still be a need for human marketers in this AI-powered world?
Oh, absolutely. While AI will definitely automate a lot of those day-to-day tasks, human creativity and strategic thinking are going to be even more valuable. Marketers will need to be able to understand and use these AI tools effectively, but they'll also still need to bring their own unique insights, empathy, and that understanding of human psychology to the table.
So it's not really about humans versus machines. It's about finding that right balance and using AI to augment our own capabilities.
Exactly. The most successful marketers of the future will be those who can embrace AI as a partner. They can use it to enhance their creativity and efficiency. And ultimately, they'll be the ones who can use the power of data and technology while still keeping that human touch that really connects with audiences on a deeper level.
This has been an incredibly insightful conversation. I feel like I have a much better understanding of the transformative power of generative AI and how it can revolutionize the marketing landscape.
It's been great talking about this with you. It really is an exciting time to be in marketing, and I'm really excited to see how this technology continues to change the industry in the years to come.
Before we wrap up, I just want to remind our listeners that we at Kanerika are here to help businesses navigate this new world of AI-powered marketing. We can help you develop those custom solutions, implement the right tools for you, and empower your teams to make the most of this incredible technology.
Yeah, if you're ready to explore how generative AI can transform your marketing efforts, reach out to us. We're really passionate about helping businesses like yours unlock the full potential of AI and create a more innovative and customer-centric future.
That's a great note to end on. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into generative AI in marketing. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.